Hi everyone, today I want to tell you about a topic: use stones to attract more money and wealth in 2021. Feng Shui helps to encourage living a happier life, and in this day and age, we all really need this, don't we? One of my absolutely favorite things is crystals. They are very beautiful and help me to attract more positive energy and wealth. Some stones, such as amber, are better for bringing new wealth into your life, while other stones, such as labradorite, can protect you from losing money that you already have. It can take years of study to become a true expert in the aesthetic properties of a mineral that you are likely to encounter in your lifetime. So let's check out gemstone to bring new money to your life. Quartz. For starting a new business, quartz is universally known as the stone of luck, which means it can help ensure the success of a new business endeavor or job interview. The quartz stone is so much more than that, however, as it can also open up the heart chakra when worn on the chest, helping you to be receptive to new opportunities. This stone is more powerful for people born under Aquarius. You can multiply your money tenfold if you keep a piece of quartz on top of a stack of bills. 2. Malachite. For making good use, malachite is the stone of new beginnings, and it is particularly effective when used by people with the Cancer, Scorpio, or Taurus signs. Some will say that you can obtain fame and fortune by using malachite, but the way to use it goes deeper than that. Malachite can ensure successful financial deals, so to get the most out of it, wear it when going to an important meeting that regards your finance. Jade. For attracting and multiplying money, well known for its power, that are utilized in the ancient art of Feng Shui. Jade can bring you not just more money, but new friends as well. While a best way to use jade is to give you more clarity in all of your life decisions, especially if you are a Pisces born in March specifically. Keep a jade stone with you when you are about to make a big investment decision. Aventuring. For windfall, if you feel as though your financial situation is out of control, aventuring can help you to manifest the financial break you have been looking for. When worn during gambling, aventuring can give you that extra push of good luck to get a winning streak. Okay, that's all. If you see this is good video, like video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for your listening. See you next time.